Hello everybody. Hey, look what I've just bought. It's a school print. Now the school prints were set up after the war to bring so-called good art to the schools, primary schools even. And it's amazing that the best artists contributed, best artists of the time, Picasso, Braque, Matisse, all contributed. This one is by Edward Ardizzone, one of my favourite artists. And I still recall reading Stig of the Dump in my English class, aged 11 I guess, illustrated by Ardizzone. Let's look at the print. The brief was to only use 6 colours, but the thing about lithography is if you take, say, this buff and put it over the ochre, you get a third colour. The master of lithography, I think most people would agree, was Toulouse-Lautrec, but this ain't half bad. It's a very dramatic scene. We've got a shipwreck, signified by the top of the mast there, and they're dragging the people ashore trying to save them, but as you can see there's a big wave about to come which may drag them all out to sea again. Lots of diagonals all coming this way, contradicted by this lady who's waiting maybe for her son or husband to see if he's survived. It couldn't be more dramatic. The use of the vermilion, which covers I'd say about half of the image, is really strong, and the white, which of course was left so that comes out, that's the paper, a very thin paper they were printed on, and most of these prints were pinned or taped or even pasted to the school walls, so very few survive. My goodness, I feel very lucky to have obtained this print by Edward Ardizzone.